as far as defining in our industry, it's been challenging. Although ACI and ASCC and other organizations have worked very hard into describing through papers and documents that beyond compressive strength, that beyond measurables like just your flatness and the quality of the finish and the importance of the other intangibles that lead to the longevity and the performance of a floor.
I think that longevity, that's the goal. I think that can be predicted, with some reliability.
Whenever you put a parameter on something and it has to be, it's going to be tested, or it's mandatory that it's tested, a contractor, most contractors that take pride in their work are going to see that test or inspection is not only met, but it's probably going to exceed the expectation.
I think it would be a panel of knowledgeable people that are experienced in the floor industry, and we could draw those people from contractors, associations like ASCC, ACI, and so forth.
I think the way to measure aesthetics is a agreed upon checklist of characteristics in a slab. That I think that's the only way you're going to get there, is that if you were to measure, you can measure distinctness of image or clarity in a slab. You can measure gloss in a slab. But as far as uniformity and the desirable characteristics of uniformity, I think that's going to have to be established through certain criteria and even possibly through a finisher's eye.
I think it's a good thing for a lot of reasons. First of all, it's going to raise the bar on the contractors. If they know that they're going to be tested or something that they've produced is going to be measured, they're going to be more conscientious about the way it goes in. They're going to do more research to make sure that it's done properly.
I think the challenge there always is the length and time that it takes, or the amount of time that it takes to actually produce those measurables and make sure that they are truly correlated measurables.
It's going to have to be a joint effort, I think, amongst owners, contractors, different affiliations, ACI, ASCC, NRMCA, PCA, etc. We've got our work cut out for us, but I think everyone's up to the challenge.